Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Welcome to the math class. Dear students, in last class we have discussed about Q and some basic questions on Q. In today's class, I am going to teach some difficult and tricky questions on Q. Let's move on. First question. The first question is the dimension of a metal globe are 2.25 meter by 1.5 meter by 27 centimeter. It is melted and recast into cubes. Each of sides 45 centimeter. How many cubes are formed? What is the actual meaning of this question? We have a cube. We have a cuboid. Length, breadth, and height are 2.25 meter. 1.5 meter and 27 centimeter. It is melted, इसको मेल्ट किया गया and recast into cubes. छोटे-छोटे क्यूब बना दिए and the age and the side of this cube is 45 centimeter. So what is the formula for number of cubes? तो हमें फाइंड करना है कि how many cubes are formed, कितने क्यूब बने हैं, ठीक है? So number of cubes is equal to volume of cuboid upon volume of one cube is equal to the volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. L is 2.5 centimeter, 2.25 centimeter, 2.25 meter. So convert 2.25 meter in centimeter, 1.5 meter in centimeter, because the side of cube given in centimeter. Okay. So 2.25 multiplied by 100. So answer is 225. 1.5 multiplied by 100 is equal to 150. And height also will given in centimeter. Volume of the cube is side. Side is given 45. 45 into 45 into 40. When we multiply 2 to 5, 150 and 27, we will get the answer 91125. When we multiply 45, 45, 45, cube of 45 is equal to 91125. When we divide 911,250 by 91125, get the answer 10. So answer is 10 cubes. Final answer of this question is 10 cubes. Now let's do the next question. Wait a minute. This question is loading. Okay. Question number 2. If the length of each edge of a cube is doubled, how many times does its volume become? This is the first question. And the second part of this question is how many times does its surface area become? If we have a cuboid, we have a cube and side of this cube is A. So volume of this A cube and surface area considered as total surface 6A square. So first question is if the length of each edge of a cube is doubled, double कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? तो बेटा लेंथ पहले क्या था? A. अब आपका लेंथ कितना हो गया? ये साइड इक्वल टू डबल, लेकिन 2A हो गया. वो इस केस में आपका वॉल्यूम क्या हो जाएगा? How many times does its volume become? Formula of volume is side, and formula of volume is for cycle condition side. 2a cube is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8. So answer is 8a. So dear students, we can compare volume becomes 8 times because volume of previous cube is a cube and volume of new cube is 8a cube, which is 8 times of previous. So answer of first part is volume becomes 8 times the old one. And the second part, how many times does surface area? The previous surface area is 6a squared and the new surface area is equal to 6 into side. Side is 2 square. So final answer is 6 into 2 to the 4a square is equal to 4 into 6a square. We can write 6 into 4a square as 4 into 6a square. Because 6a square is the previous, the last surface area. So dear friends, we can see 4 into 4 surface area. So the final answer of second part is surface area becomes 4 times the order. तो ये आपका 4 टाइम चेंज हो जाएगा, ठीक है. दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. आई होप आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. नाउ ऑन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. This is the last question of this class and this is the last question of cube. Okay. A solid cubical board of fine wood cost rupees 256 at 500 per meter cube. Find its volume. This is the first part of this question. Find the volume and the length of each side. So हमें एक को find करना है volume और एक find करना है side A. So we have given a solid of fine cost 256 at 500 per meter. So this is the cost and this is the rate. So volume is equal to, so we will use this formula for this question. Volume is equal to total cost. So total cost is 256. Total cost upon rate. Dear students, total cost is 256 and rate is 500. When we divide the 56 500, we will get 0.512 meter cube. 0.512 meter cube. Okay. So this is the volume. This is the solution of first part. And in the second part, find the length of each side. So dear students, what is the formula for volume? So volume is equal to side is equal to volume is equal to side cube. Dear students, side cube is equal to 512 meter. So side is equal to cube root of 0.512 and we know cube root of 512 is 8. So dear friends, your answer is 0.8 meter or 80 centimeter. So this is the length of side. Okay dear students. तो बेटा हमने जितने भी क्वेश्चंस थे वो आपने कर लिए क्यूब के और क्यूबॉइड के. Cube and in the next session, in the next class, we will discuss about some special formula for. So dear students, in the next class we will discuss about right circular cylinder. So what is the total surface area of right circular cylinder? What is the curved surface area of right circular cylinder? And what is the volume of right circular cylinder? This is the new syllabus. Okay. So dear students, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. Take care. Bye bye.